When ordering replacement jamb guards or a replacement door, the existing wall thickness and door opening measurements of your walk-in are important pieces of information KPS Global will ask you to provide. In this video, we'll show you how to quickly and easily take these measurements. For the wall thickness measurement, we need to know the thickness of the existing wall. Typically, the easiest way to get this is to simply measure the width of the door jamb. When taking your measurement, make sure that you're measuring just the thickness of the existing wall. We don't need measurements for the outside panel width of the existing wall or for the thickness of the existing door. For the door opening measurements, we are interested in the narrowest dimensions for the width and height of that opening. When taking your measurements, make sure that you're measuring just the door opening itself and that you're providing the narrowest dimensions. We don't need measurements for the wider section of the door opening or for the existing door. It is extremely important that you measure your existing wall thickness and door opening accurately to ensure the best fit for your new jamb guards or replacement door. If you have any other questions, contact KPS Global today.